Do you like watching YouTube videos during your free time? Or do you free your time to watch YouTube videos? Do you know you can earn money by just doing what you are doing right at this moment? Are you here because you actually spend time searching and watching YouTube videos? Or you just felt like watching a YouTube video today and scrolled through the suggested video and found us? Whatever the reason why you are here, we are glad to have you. Today, we have great news for you. Whatever type of person and subscriber you are, as long as you watch YouTube videos, you can earn money. I bet you didn't know you can get paid by just watching YouTube videos. Lucky for you, we are back with another video that can help meet your financial needs easily. If you think only content creators can earn with these videos, you are so wrong, my friend. We got your back, so stick around and keep on watching as we show another way to earn online. Welcome to Money Anytime, where we share money-making tips and tricks through online means. The methods and ideas that we will share are guaranteed up-to-date and surely doable at home, so you can earn money anytime. So if that's what you're looking for, don't hesitate to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so that you'll be the first to know what next money-generating trick we have got up our sleeves. You can also leave a comment below if you've got questions or other methods that you want to learn about. But for now, let's go back to the video. We are pretty consistent in this YouTube channel, so for today's video, just as always, there is no need for complicated technology. If you have your laptop, computer, or cell phone, that is all you will need. No money that you need to take out of your pocket. You start really easily without any confusing steps. Go ahead and open a web browser up. Do you have your browser ready? Okay, the next step is to type followfast.com on your search bar or address bar. If you got to the current page, you should be greeted by a smiling lady welcoming you to the followfast.com. Who is your favorite YouTuber? PewDiePie? Mr. Beast? David Dobrik? What are the kinds of content you like watching on YouTube? Share your favorite content creators, and maybe some of us don't know them yet. It will be great to discover new and awesome content creators. If you think this video will help you, comment down below and share your thoughts. For you not to miss out on new videos and uploads, click the notification bell. And while we are at it, hit like and subscribe too. Are you on followfast.com now? Do you see the lady with a bright smile? She knows you are about to earn. If you are ready and on the website, then let's go back to the video. You can make money online just by watching YouTube videos. So let us continue in the process of doing that. If you are worried about the legitimacy of followfast.com on the website, you should be able to see a recent withdrawal history. This page will show you the amount of payment, method, status, and date. The website is transparent and shows you the amount of money people are withdrawing all over the world. So do not worry and keep watching as we walk you through the earnings while viewing YouTube videos. Let us continue and get you started with joining the website. If you are on the homepage of followfast.com, you should be able to see a sky blue button that says Join. You should be directed to a different page. On this new page, you should be able to create your own account. Do you think followfast.com is an interesting website and a good way to earn money? If you do, comment down below in the comments section. We always like hearing from you. What part of the world are you watching from? What type of videos are trending in your country? Share what people in your place are watching and why are you and your countrymen enjoying that type of content? Maybe someone also likes the same type of videos but lives in a different country. We all share something similar no matter where we are. And if you haven't already, click the notification bell to ensure you are updated on our every upload. While you are already there, why don't you like and subscribe if you are enjoying this video and would like to see more ways to generate income? Now, let's go back to the video. We are glad you have reached this far into the video. Let us continue with the steps to join followfast.com. To join in, you just need basic information that we all have. You just need to enter your username, email, password, and retype the password to ensure you typed it right. This is just to make sure the system will have the correct password from you. Lastly, the system will automatically know your location, so you don't have to worry about it. Wherever you are located in the world, you will be accepted at followfast.com. The last step will be entering the CAPTCHA. Just simply enter the number that is showing on your screen. Once you have completed all these, click on the Join button. You should be able to use your laptop, computer, and even your mobile phone. Once you have successfully completed the joining process, you should be able to get into where you will see your dashboard. On your dashboard, you will see buttons that say Plays, Likes, Dislikes, Subs for YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Go ahead and click on the YouTube button that says Plays. You have to go to the bottom of the page to find where you can start watching videos to earn money. Another great discovery for you with the website followfast.com. Stay with us to see what else followfast.com can offer, and you have our word that you won't be disappointed. Comment other ways you will be taking advantage of this easy way to earn. A lot of us here want to know if you have ideas on how to earn money fast with the website followfast.com. If you are enjoying this video, hit the notification bell for more. Like and subscribe if you think this will help you in reaching your financial goals this year. Now, back to followfast.com with more exciting features. This is how you can earn points faster and easier. Do you see that your account just earned a few points just by watching the video? Amazing, right? Now, if you scroll down more, you will discover more points. Just click on the option to play and the video will open on YouTube. Now, go back to the followfast.com website and you will see the countdown. You just need to wait, and in just a few seconds, you will see that the points have been added to your account. You can watch as many videos as you can handle. Another hack for you. If you want to have points by watching a video, you can open multiple tabs and have a second video opened on another tab. You will be able to maximize your time by opening more tabs and viewing more videos all at once. See how I can watch this video and then click play on another video. The first video will be counting down as well as the second video. You can watch 5 or 10 or even 20 videos all at the same time, and you will see points getting added to your balance immediately. Here is the last tip for you. Click on the gear icon to switch the playback twice as fast so the video will play fast, and lower the quality of the video so your data will not be consumed as fast. Bonus tip for you. Check your account every day. Watch 15 videos and claim bonus points. There is also an option to claim 25 points every hour by just watching free videos. To cash out your money, click on the Cash Out button. You can use PayPal or Bitcoin to cash out, and other options are available too. You will receive your money in just 3 to 5 days or even less. And that brings us to the end of our video. Thank you so much for staying until the end. If you love content such as this, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, because I've got more videos in store for you. Hit the like button and comment what you want to hear from our channel next. Good luck and see you in our next video.